How can I rejoin the game after being kicked?
Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about an issue that's all too common in the gaming world. Yes, we're talking about being kicked from a game. But, more importantly, we're going to discuss how you can rejoin the game after that happens.
Why was I kicked?
The first thing to understand is why you were kicked. Usually, players are kicked for violating the game's rules, disruptive behavior, or technical issues. It's essential to understand the reason behind your removal so you can avoid a similar situation in the future.
Is it a temporary or permanent ban?
Next, it's important to differentiate between a temporary kick and a permanent ban. If it's just a kick, you might be able to rejoin the game immediately or after a set period of time, often displayed on the kick message. However, a permanent ban is a different story. If you've been permanently banned, you may need to appeal to the game administrators or support team.
How can I rejoin after a temporary kick?
For a temporary kick, here are the steps you should follow. 1. Wait for the kick duration to expire. 2. Restart your game client or device. 3. Try reconnecting to the server or the game. Remember, persistently trying to rejoin before your kick duration has ended may result in a longer or even a permanent ban.
How can I appeal a permanent ban?
If it's a permanent ban, it's a bit more complicated. However, these steps might help. 1. Understand the reason for your ban. It's usually mentioned in the ban notification. 2. Contact the game's customer support or community managers. 3. Politely explain your situation and ask for clarification if needed. 4. If you believe the ban was unfair, state your case clearly and respectfully. Remember, dealing with this process politely and patiently can increase your chances of a positive outcome. Being kicked from a game can be frustrating, but it's not the end of the world. Understanding the reasons and knowing how to handle the situation can help you get back into the game. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to always respect the rules and other players in the game. Happy gaming!